Amber Heard mentioned supermodel Kate Moss last week during her testimony in ex-husband Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation trial against her, setting social media ablaze with interest in what could be a key focus when her testimony resumes next week after a recess. The trial will resume on May 16, and Heard has not yet faced cross-examination from Depp's lawyers. A spokesperson for Depp last week called Heard's testimony the performance of her life and said cross-examination of her will be most telling, and will certainly highlight the many fallacies Ms. Heard has now attempted to pass off as fact throughout her convoluted testimony, according to Entert. Heard's team fired back with a statement of their own, telling Forbes Mr. Depp's defamation claim is falling apart so rapidly that his counsel are turning from prosecutor to persecutor, and his behavior in this trial has been as pitiful as it was in their marriage. Depp and Heard divorced in 2016, when Heard claimed he abused her, which he denied. Depp sued Heard over a 2018 op-ed she wrote for The Washington Post in which she called herself a public figure representing domestic violence. Depp was not named in the piece, but believes the implication he abused Heard cost him his lucrative acting career. Depp also sued The Sun for calling him a wife-beater. He lost in 2020 and a judge said there was overwhelming evidence he abused his ex-wife. Heard has countersued Depp for $100 million. When Depp took the stand he claimed Heard was the aggressor in their relationship, and said he never abused her. Depp told several stories from the couple's tumultuous relationship, including a 2015 fight in which he claimed Heard threw bottles at him, and one broke and severed his finger. Heard also discussed this fight on the stand, saying Depp threw the bottles at her, choked and hit her and used the bottles to sexually abuse her. Depp also testified about an incident in which fecal matter was found in his and Heard's bed, which he believes was put there by Heard, a situation that's also garnered attention on social media. Heard said Depp frequently abused her, both physically and emotionally, and spoke of fits of rage that were fueled by his drug and alcohol use. Amber Heard accuses Johnny Depp of sexual, physical abuse on stand in defamation trial. Forbes Amber Heard felt nothing for Elon Musk, psychologist testifies during defamation trial. Forbes Musk likely paid portion of Amber Heard's pledged ACLU donations, exec testifies. Forbes Johnny Depp defamate.